Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys a couple of videos that are either just tidbits of what I've been working on, and I'm excited to show you a couple of little projects that I've been working on or that I've pretty much completed. They're just a startup and I'm working with pallets so that way I don't spend any money on wood. I'd rather save that for actual projects that I'm 100% sure that I can, complete and complete nicely. So for now, I'm using, pallets that I find in the back of Lowe's that they've already instructed to be free. So I pick up as many as I can, and I struggle like you wouldn't believe to get those things apart without breaking them. But at least it's something. Got a couple of tools my baby bought me, so I am so happy that my tool collection is growing, so we have a couple of things in mind of having like a little workshop and things like that, or at least a shed that's big enough that I can do some work in it, but I need to build 2 horses so that way I'm not crouching over a table or a chair and try to hold down, a piece of wood that I need to cut. So it's been kind of hard to work these past couple of days because I only have like a window of opportunity of a couple of hours to get something done. So that's why the little projects here and there. Not to mention the fact that cutting wood or the trees when it's been damp and raining, not exactly, a time to do it. So today I ended up setting up the fire pit so I can start it up, so that way I can start burning as soon as the weather gets better. But like today, it's cloudy. Sun peeks out a little bit and then starts drizzling, and then, it's just raining. So I'm trying to work around it. There's plenty to do. We're going to be painting the inside of the RV. We're going to also be relocating it because there was literally yesterday a branch just a few, let's say like a foot away from the corner of the RV, and while we were outside it literally broke and fell down on the ground. So we need to cut a couple of big trees down. Luckily I'm not going to be alone. My baby's going to help me with it, so I'm going to feel a lot more comfortable tackling these big trunks. Plus, you guys already saw last time that one tree took forever to cut the limbs and then move them over to the fire pit. So we have to do this in parts. So moving the RV to the area where there's a lot of pine trees, we don't have to worry about branches falling or anything. So that's gonna be a task. It's gonna be interesting. So hopefully we'll tackle that this weekend. But in the meantime, you guys can see what I've done so far, and maybe a couple things I'll try to see if I can put up today. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Baby, you know what you're doing?
No, I need your help. I'm lost.
Oh, all right, I got you. Échate, hija, tú veas. Miss a spot, baby. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So here's a bench I started yesterday. It's not completely properly reinforced, so I am going to break apart this pallet right here so that way I can use some of the planks to give it more support around and in the back. I was going to do the front, but I want to be able to like kind of put my feet underneath if I want. Anyways, this is one pallet cut in half, so that's going to be another bench right over there. So yeah, that should be pretty cool. We'll see how it ends up today. I literally had my hands on that post not too long ago, and this is what I see. I have got to be more careful. So here's the tree that I mentioned, that the branch, which was this one right here, literally broke off. It came all the way out to here and it just fell right down. So pretty close to the RV. So we're going to tackle this monstrosity after we move the RV. And I will show you where we plan to put the RV. So I'm all the way at the entrance. And if you look back here, these are all pine trees. Because we wouldn't have to worry about big limbs falling down, we are planning to literally put it right around here. I'm gonna be emptying out this spot right here, so it's most likely gonna be at an angle. So it's going to be tricky getting it all the way over here, but I have all these trees and stuff that I need to clear out before then. So this is gonna be our upcoming weekend project. So wish us luck, and hopefully by the next time you see the next video, you will see how everything's gonna look. So I'm excited, I'm nervous, but stay tuned, okay?